Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to recover payment on Facebook Marketplace. Alright, if you are selling something on Facebook Marketplace and you want to get paid directly in the app, I will walk you through step by step just using your phone. First, open the Facebook app, then tap the Marketplace icon at the bottom. Now tap the sell, then choose what you are selling or create your listing. Now, here the important part. Payment only works if you are shipping the item. When you get the delivery option, choose shipping. Facebook will then ask you to get a payout if you haven't already. To set up payout payment, you will be asked to enter your full legal name, your bank account information, your tax information. This is normal. Once that's done, finish posting your listing. When someone buy your item, the payment is handled inside Facebook. You will get a notification saying that the item is sold. Now tap your account, then select your sell. You will see the order there. Ship the item using the shipping label Facebook provides. After the buyer receives that item, Facebook release the money to your bank account. This usually takes 3 to 5 business days. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.